guys, it's Christian, and today I'll be doing a gun video. Right now, while I was at practice, my mom Duke's right there. She went to Target and she bought a gun for me. So we're on our way to my house so we can get it. So we'll be right back. So I'm back, and here's the gun. I have to go farther. It comes with the scope, and all the rest are put together, and you just put the scope together, and yeah, so be right back when it's open. So I cut it open, and here's the gun. It's out of places and everything, so it might fall. This, it's like the handle. Here's the scope. Here's something that you can connect to, I think, right here. Yeah, and it goes on. Here's for when you shoot, and then here's all the bullets. Comes with the instruction manual. So yeah, and then there. So here's the full gun. So here's to put all the bullets. You only are allowed to put 10, and so I'll be right back with all of it hooked up. So here's the full gun, and sorry we had some difficulties, and hope you like this video, and go get yourself one at Target. Subscribe and thumbs up, and bye.